Hey friends, if YouTube is not processing or uploading videos, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to check the YouTube server status. And how would you do that? So to check the YouTube server status, simply search the browser for YouTube server status and hit enter. And then the interesting thing is that for YouTube there is no what do we say company website which tells you the status of the YouTube server. So the best one is to simply check it from downdetector.in or is it down.in. And as you can see, a few people are facing outages, but it's not such a massive outage. The next one is to check the internet connection speed. Search for fast.com and hit enter, and check the internet connection speed on fast.com. Is it good enough? If not, then YouTube video processing will need time. See, the upload speed needs to be really good. Okay, the download speed needs to be really good. So the upload speed is lesser than the download speed usually. And for YouTube processing, that needs to be very high. The next one is to change the browser just to isolate the case and try it in the incognito browser. For example, I click on these three dots at the top right corner and select in private window. So for Chrome and Edge, it's called in private window. For Firefox, it's called the incognito browser. And then you can try uploading it on YouTube and you will notice that it works this time. The next one, last one is to remove the browser extensions. Okay. And how would you do that? So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, click on manage extensions, disable any extension that is problematic, and finally try removing it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.